Welcome to Cafe Enoma and welcome to our reaction to James, and we're going to listen to their song Hank.
It's a Patreon request by patron Jono. You can check out our Patreon page to learn more about us as well as to request reactions. The link is in the description box below. Open, pure, raw, honest, sincere and impromptu. That's the way we always do it. Always a single take reaction video, which means there are no pauses while listening to the song or while sharing our views with you on the song that we heard. And it's usually a first time reaction video, as in this case. The first time we're listening to this song, Hank. Let's get started with this for Jono.
CCTV's grinning, his raptures are decline. Hookers, hotel showers, dollar signs. Suppress the votes, electoral lies. Black Lives Matter, shoot on sight. We exist in multiple denials. He just says what they would hide. Rulers rule by divide. Why put your faith in facts when you can lie? Now every possibility exists in everybody's mind.
It sounds like it is a recent song, the most recent song. Because everything that was mentioned in the song, it has to be really a major coincidence if it isn't in the last 4 months, not even 6 months, last 4 months or 3 months old song. I would be surprised if it was anything before already written, Black Lives Matter and the president and white and all that, and knee on the ground, all of that, bend your knee on the ground. Then it's a great vision for James that they had for the future if it isn't in the last 3 months that they created this. I like the drums in this one. I like those military like marching like drums that were playing in the song more than anything else. The lyrics of the song, I think everybody knows and everybody holds their own opinions, and I don't need to add something or take away something or comment on whether it is right, whether it is wrong. It is James and them talking about what they feel about things. Though I also would like to mention, I think James are from the UK, and I never hear anything from the UK by English artists making. Are there no problems?
Similar song.
Are
like
there no
that, yeah.
problems? Because I know we have had a great experience with each other. Great history that we share, 2 countries, yours and mine. So I don't know why never like that.
Yeah. What will they say? They have to comment on themselves.
Yeah.
It's all bad, right?
Yeah, so we can always have, a gossip moment about other people, but sometimes introspection and looking in the mirror straight.
No. Maybe James moved to the US. Who knows?
Move to the US, not move to the US is
Yeah.
okay, but
So if they live there,
being liberal,
maybe they
equally
want to
liberal
comment
about
on it.
everything is also important
They
and
want to
honest.
comment on other things too.
Yeah.
Of course, whatever happens in countries such as America and India does affect the rest of the world in a big way.
Yeah.
So if you comment on things that are happening in America, I think it's fair for anyone to do so. Everyone has the right to do.
No, I'm not saying whether you have the right or not,
America,
but treat everything equally, right?
Yeah.
Why only one person? Democracy for everybody. Let's have, all sides should be part of democracy. If US's democracy is questionable, so is so many other countries.
Definitely.
That's what I'm trying to
There's
say.
a lot happening in Europe at any given point of time, which is quite scary at times for an onlooker like me. Yeah, so definitely, but very well done.
It was done
very
well.
well sung, and the voice seemed to be done to it, the effect or something. Didn't sound completely natural, and then the music was nice, very nice. Like Kirti said, the
I like the marching
kind of
drums.
parade ambience created in the music, more like protest maybe, but it sounded like a parade ambience. And then those hardcore lyrics. I'm not too familiar with most of the lines, what happened, what didn't happen.
I only caught the keywords. I don't know what
But
exactly
I like
they
listening
said.
to it. I like listening to it, to be honest. That's it for this reaction video. Goodbye.